I'm here to discuss some of the uses of MIG welding. In particular today we'll be discussing how to set the MIG welding machine up to start welding. First of all, you need to plug your welding machine into the proper voltage. Make sure that the machine is wired properly by an electrician. Plug it into the proper receptacle at the proper voltage. Make sure that your inert gas gauge is attached firmly to the bottle and open the bottle slowly. Set the flow meter at approximately 20 cubic feet an hour. Ensure that your wire electrode, the MIG wire, is fed through the drive rollers properly and run all the way out to the tip. Make sure that you've got the proper tip, that the wire is fed through properly, and that the gas orifices are clear and will allow the inert gas to flow properly. Make sure that your ground cable is attached firmly to your work. Try to avoid having any paint or rust or grease, etc., on the area where you're going to ground or on the area where you're going to weld. They'll make a poor electrical connection, and of course if you weld over these things, the fumes can be toxic. Of course, turn the machine on, set the proper process to MIG welding. Wire speed, voltage must all match the wire diameter that you're going to use for the arc welding process, the type of weld that you want to make. Put your welding shield down, point the gun, pull the trigger, and start welding. It is as simple as that. This is a very simple process to use.